My chicken fried rice has a lot of veggies, a little bit of chicken, just the way I like it. It makes a big pot. It's easy to make. Once you have all your supplies ready to go, and that's what we're going to get ready to do now. I cook my rice in bottled water because it doesn't have any sodium in it. And I just don't want to add any to it. I like jasmine rice. This is leftover from last night. Jasmine rice has no sodium per serving. And I like to have it cold because then you get this nice pieces and you don't get the big clump. If I don't have any leftover, I'll make some. Put it in my freezer until it's really cold. Then I'm ready to cook with it. Chicken. 4 ounces, 65 milligrams of sodium, cooked in a non-stick skillet and shredded. Water chestnuts. My store has canned water chestnuts that are sliced. This is 2 ounces, and then I cut it just a little bit more, and it's going to give our rice a real nice crunch. There's no sodium per serving. Carrot, 1 medium, is 74 milligrams of sodium. I wash my carrot, peel it, and grate it. Because when I grate it, woohoo, look at all the little pieces I get. I get carrot all the way through my rice. Green onion, 1 bunch, chopped, 14 milligrams of sodium. 1 garlic clove. It's going to be minced in there, 1 milligrams. Then, I got my bean sprouts. There's all kinds of them out there. These are the ones I like. I like these best. It's got the little pieces. My Fry store, which is a Kroger store, does not carry them. But Albertsons and Safeway do. Just got to get in your phone, call your local stores. May have to find an Asian store. Sometimes you can get them loose in the produce section, and most of the time you buy them by the bag. This one is a 1-pound bag. It will probably take 10 or 15 minutes for these to cook when I start making my rice. 2 eggs, 140 milligrams of sodium, mixed up. And ordered from Healthy Heart Market, Mrs. Taste Sodium Soy Sauce. Less sodium, and it is 1 teaspoon, 180 milligrams of sodium. That sounds like a lot, but I've seen it go as high as 1,000. Oh, we're just going to try it with 2 teaspoons, and then do a taste test. And we might have to add another one. We just don't know. Subscribe to my channel, and every Friday you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe. And sometimes you also get a little tip to help you keep that sodium low. Let's cook up some fried rice the way Judy loves it. I have avocado oil in my sprayer. Oh, just a couple of sprays in here. And, oh, no sodium, by the way. Then, in goes my green onion. I want all of it. And my shredded carrots. These are going to cook until they're just a little bit softer than what they are now. A lot of people will put frozen carrots and peas in their fried rice. I just don't like peas, so that's where I ended up with the carrots. They get in the top. Put on just a couple minutes here. Probably 5 minutes on the onions and the carrots. In goes the garlic and the water chestnuts. Smells good. Really, all this good stuff really smells good together. Oh wow, that's a good garlic. Good garlic. Now comes okay. Now comes my rice. I'm not going to use all this. So I want 2 cups, maybe a little more. Maybe a little bit more. Maybe I'll make some rice pudding with what's left. Chicken. In goes the chicken. Oh, let's stir. Yeah. Let's stir. This is looking good. Bean sprouts. And these are raw, so it's going to take them probably 10 minutes to cook. Cook them. Our egg to be scrambled in here. Okay, here's our egg. It's gonna go right here. So cook it. And mix it up with the rice. Okay. Now, 2 teaspoons of Mrs. Taste Show-You soy sauce. Less sodium. It is less, but does it ever still have some? But we're just going to put 2 in and check it out. 2 teaspoons. Doesn't seem like very much, but we're going to taste it after the rice gets done. I'm going to put the lid on it and let it cook for about 10 minutes because I want the bean sprouts to get done. 12 minutes in my skillet with the lid on it, and the bean sprouts were cooked beautifully. I have 7 cups. I did a taste test, and it really did need 1 more teaspoon of the soy sauce. Our whole pot had 7 cups. There's 834 milligrams of sodium in the 7 cups. Each cup has got 120 milligrams of sodium, which is not bad for good fried rice. I took my husband a plate of fried rice, and he said, "Ooh, my Jude, you did good on this."